Coordination between various organs is essential for homeostasis and body stability. Cells forms tissue, tissue forms organs, and organs further combine to form organ system. Different organ systems are there. This, so this is the different organ systems. Coordination is the process to make their stability in or interaction between the different organs. For example, if you are doing physical exercise, their demand for oxygen is increased for increase in the muscular activity. So there is increase in respiration, heartbeat, and due to this is accomplished by renal excretion and sweating to maintain the or regulate the body temperatures. So neural system, if the activity is stopped, then these various organ activities becomes normal gradually. Or coordination between lungs, heart, kidneys, skin, and brain maintain the homeostasis. This is the examples. Mainly two systems, neural system and endocrine systems, provides coordination and homeostasis. Neural systems provides quick response. There is network of neurons, and endocrine systems acts by the different types of hormones. These are the different endocrine systems of the body. So neural system of the invertebrates to vertebrates varies. This is the neuron cell. This is the structural unit of the nervous system or neural system. This is the longest cell of the body. This is impulses. This passes through this neurons. You can say this neural system vary from lower invertebrates to vertebrates. These are sponges. They don't have neural systems, but in Hydra there is network of neurons. This is flatworms. They have different neural systems. In this there is nerve rings and nerve cord interconnected by these transverse connectives. You can see in this. This is the earthworms neural systems. Here is circumferential nerve rings. This is the circumferential nerve rings in earthworm. There is ganglion and nerve cords. And this is the grasshoppers. Insects have more organized neural systems. And the starfish do not have brain, but they have nerve rings and radial nerves. This is the characteristic of starfish. Vertebrates have more advanced neural systems, in which primates or mainly human beings have a very complex and advanced brain and neural system. This is the brain of the human in these diagrams. This is more complex and advanced. Neural systems have a structure. This is the central neural systems consist of two types of human nervous systems: central nervous systems and peripheral nervous system. Central neural system consists of brain and spinal cord. Two parts. So brain and spinal cord is considered under the central neural system or central nervous systems, and cranial nerves and spinal nerves. This is considered under the peripheral neural system or peripheral nervous system. And there are two types of fibers: efferent fibers and also called sensory neurons, and motor fibers have motor neurons. Efferent nerve fibers transmit impulses from the organs or tissue to the CNS, central nervous system. This is the efferent, and then motor neurons passes the impulses from the CNS to the organs. There are two types of neurons and fibers. Peripheral nervous system may be divided into somatic and autonomic neural system. There are two types mainly. These somatic neural systems transfers impulses from brain to different organs, or CNS to different organs. An autonomic nervous system from different organs to the from brain to different involuntary organs like heartbeat, peristalsis, sympathetic, automatic, different smooth muscles also in this autonomic nervous systems. There is smooth muscles. And then automatic neural system further divided into sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous systems. This is sympathetic nervous system in thoracic and lumbar regions. These are found in and cranial and sacral region, sympathetic nervous, thoracic and lumbar regions, and parasympathetic nervous systems found in cranial and sacral neurons. This is the neuron, is the cell of the nervous systems, and this is the longest cell. This may be divided into mainly two parts. This is cell body or cytone, and next is nerve processes. Nerve process further divided into, this is cytone, soma or cell body. These have granules like a structure that is Nissel's granules. This is they have neuroplasm. This is the surface nucleus, a spherical nucleus here in cell body. Nissel's granules help in photosynthesis, in this protein synthesis. They have mitochondria for energy productions also, and different structures like in cells. They have neurofibrils also. And further, these nerve processes may be divided into dendrons, may be divided into dendrons and axons. Two types. Dendrons further branches into the dendrites. And those have also, this is the dendrites. Short branches these are. They have also Nissl branches. This is the axon, long branch of this. They have axial lemma instead of plasma membranes, and fluid is called exoplasm. And this maybe they have distal end knob-like structure called synaptic nerve. They have synaptic vesicles in which neurotransmitters are present. And neurons may be divided into three types: multipolar, bipolars, and unipolars, according to the number of dendrites and action and cell body. You can say cell body have in all types, but multipolars. This is the multipolar structure. This is found most common one, and found here is axon, there is dendrites. This found in cerebral cortex, and this is the bipolar neurons. There is one dendrites and one axon. This is the unipolar, found in embryonic stage, mainly in photoreceptor cells, and bipolar in retina of the eye also. There may be two types: myelinated and non-myelinated. Myelinated have this myelin sheath, and non-myelinated don't have myelin sheath. Myelinated nerve fibers, they have Schwann cells, which is covered by myelin sheath. This is the axon and diagrams. And this myelinated nerve fibers have a gap between two. This is the nodes of Ranvier. And this myelinated nerve fibers, cranial nerves and spinal nerves. And unmyelinated nerves, they don't have myelin sheath, but they have Schwann cells, but don't have this myelin sheath. Now this is the somatic neural systems, and this is the two fibers, sensory fibers and motor fibers, or sensory neurons and motor neurons. And another one is the association neurons. Sensory neurons passes impulses from the organs or tissue to the CNS or brain, and second is the motor neurons passes impulses from the CNS to this organ system, and associate, this is the ventral horns in this diagrams, and another, this is the motor neurons process. Signal is passing from the CNS to the, this is association neurons, where they connect the sensory neurons and the motor neurons. Okay, thank you. This is for today classes.